Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Kmobile. Kmobile is an Android application that digitizes the entire order-taking process to lessen errors, and increases your staff's work efficiency. Also, the software application is integrated to the point of sale and kitchen application. First, open up the Kmobile application. In upper right-hand side of the screen, you can see the setting gear icon where you can change the configuration of the application's connection to the server point of sale. First, it will show two settings for web service and database. Web service is where the IP address of the point of sale encoded with the Kmobile folder that represent as /Kmobile. For database, we got host where you enter the IP address of the point of sale. For username and password, is where you enter the database username and password. For database name, this serves as the name of database that your point of sale is currently using. For port, is set to 2121 by default. Once you finalize the setup, just click the check icon in upper right hand side. Click the Start to load up the application. The last setup you need to do is the printer setup. Again, open up the settings and select the printer. Fill out the printer IP address and port of the printer, which you can see in Krypton point of sale spooler, located in upper right hand side of the main screen. For printer name list, you need to refresh list to load up the printer from server point of sale. Once it detected the right printer, just save and test it for finalization. Finalize the setup by selecting the checked icon. After loading up Kmobile, it will show up the table ordering and power bill. Table ordering is where you can ring up an order of the customer. Select table ordering, and it will ask you to enter the access code that you are using in the point of sale, and click Validate to proceed. It will load up the table section of the point of sale. Tables got 3 color codes. Green is for tables that got orders in it. Red is the color of tables that are currently open in other terminals or devices. White is for tables that are available. Select the table that you want to ring an order with. In my case it's T2. Enter the guest count. It will load up the menu group and menus that are currently set up in Krypton point of sale. Navigate the menu group in right hand side of the screen. Take an order by selecting one. You can see the order preview in upper left hand side. Once you're done taking order, you need to select Send Order to send the order printout to kitchen printer. The next option in Kmobile is the Power Bill. Power Bill is where you can print the bill of the table order. To do so, just open up Power Bill. It will ask you the access code. Enter the access code you use in Krypton point of sale. It will load up the table section. The next thing to do is to select the table order that you want the bill to be printed out. In lower left hand side you can see Print Bill. Select it to print out the bill. In this section, you can also take a survey, do a split check, and settle a transaction. If you want to take a survey, all the data will be stored and viewed in the Krypton report. For split check, you can also use this function to divide the payment. If you wish to settle the transaction, you can select Settle, located in upper right hand side of the screen, and choose the mode of payment, which could be cash or credit card. Once you selected the payment type, you can now click the Pay to settle the transaction. That's it for now, and keep on tuning in 21 POS for more about point of sales tutorial. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because we are all your source for all things point of sale.